don't worry like a finance minister or a prime minister. Worry about what you have to worry about. So
Brilliant, yeah.
So is the same thing. Like, I'm not a fund manager. So as an investor, what are the things I have to look at? So what do I do? मेरा 5,000 रुपए का SIP चल रहा है, US का डॉलर ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है. Should I really be worried about?
There was, when the US presidential election was happening. I mean, so there is no right answer for this, because at one level we all need to understand politics and we all need to understand what is happening in the world. But at one level, like the joke I read, somebody had something to say about the US election. This was on X, where somebody had like a long rant on US election, and then somebody replied to him, "भाई तू भाईंदर में रहता है, तेरे को क्या?" So ऐसा भी होता है. I think that was rude, but just as a joke.
No,
or a
so the
meme
idea
sometimes
is
comes.
कि as a retail investor with little money in the market, how should I look at market? How do I manage my emotion? ऊपर नीचे जाता है, क्या सोचना चाहिए मुझे?
नहीं, so emotion ही main है. उसमें तो कोई doubt नहीं है. See, there is one of the myths about investments, one of the myths about personal finance, one of the myths about stock markets and mutual funds. The myth is that कि भाई you need to be like a expert. Maths आना चाहिए आपको. You need to be a financial wizard, right? वो थोड़ा overstated है. बिकॉज मैं कितनी बार लोगों को समझाता हूँ कि भाई पिछले 20 साल में इकोनॉमिक्स का नोबेल प्राइज़ भी 2 बार ऐसे लोग को दिया है जो ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी स्टडी करते हैं, राइट? तो क्यों दिया होगा? क्योंकि स्टॉक मार्केट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट रनिंग लाइव एक्सपेरिमेंट टू स्टडी ह्यूमन बिहेवियर एक्चुअली, दैट हाउ डू पीपल react or how do people respond when their emotions are called into question. See, Mr. Buffett said, be greedy when others are fearful, be fearful when others are greedy. That is a statement. No, you expect him to talk about maths. He's not talking about maths. He's talking about controlling your psychology. The key word in that statement is the others. कि भाई आप others से हटके कैसे रहते हैं? आप अपना थोड़ा contrarian thinking, थोड़ा different thinking, standing apart from the crowd. So सबसे बड़ा myth तो यही है कि it's more important that you track US election. You should have a view on whether RBI will cut rates or not. अच्छा है, सीखो, समझो. But in your ultimate success, that is not going to be the overwhelming determinant of whether you were a successful investor, whether you met your goals or not. Whether you're a successful investor, whether you met your goals or not, उसका overwhelming determinant will be कि मार्च 2020 में आप खरीद रहे थे कि आप भी others के साथ थे.